Peekaboo. What's up, YouTubers? See, the scrap man's already been here today. That's what I had yesterday. Leave that back. The bed frame that I used yesterday is gone. The junk man's been here. That's the truck I'm working on. Okay, this video is about how I gutted my catalytic converter out yesterday. Alright. I actually can't take it back apart because I got the muffler on there and it doesn't want to come back off. And I ain't trying to mess it up just because I just put that freaking donut gasket right there in and had to wait for it. But there's my catalytic converter. It was stopped up. I had like a 12-inch drill bit that would only get me from where I cut back here, where the pipe was. Where's that pipe? I don't see the pipe. Pipe laying right there. That pipe right there. That's the end that was at the cat before. The other end went back toward the rear. But I already see how I already had a bad pipe right there anyway. So I went ahead and cut it. I mean, it's not hurting anything at that point. I already got an exhaust leak. So I cut it. I was trying to gut. I mean, that's close to daggone near 3 foot. 12-inch bit don't go far. So here's what I found the dumpster over there yesterday. Broken fishing pole. I had a 12-inch bit right here with electrical tape going 2 directions, connected to the cordless drill right here. You know, with the factory slip-on. This is the tip end of the pole. But apparently fishing poles are great for bending sideways for fish, but you can't twist them. They break too easily. So I went back to the dumpster, the bed frame, and there's the tool I made out of a bed frame. All it was is a half of a frame that slipped together. I ground. There's a little, I think a little fold up one, foot in the middle, or it might have been solid. I don't remember. I ground the pop rivets off of it, beat it off, because it just falls off afterwards. And then this end, I ground into 3 spikes. Boy, this thing ruthless. It's about 5 foot long. That's all I did. Kept going back and forth with it. That thing works like a champ. So, if you gotta gut a cat out, that's only temporary. I'll put another cat back on when I get the rest. That's all temporary anyway, because that muffler's moving back to the back where there's more room. It's only about not even an inch away from my drive shaft right now. There's all my catalyst out of catalytic converter. It did real good. A bed frame, man. A bed frame and one end open, you're in there. That bitch is sharp too. Whew. All right, that's it. Short little video how to gut a cat, or how to make a tool to gut a cat. At the jungle. The workers here call it the jungle.